Hello Year 2, it's Thursday the 21st of January and here's our learning question. Can I draw pictograms and block diagrams? Same learning question as yesterday. How did you get on with yesterday's work? Colourful charts. The answers are on your slides for you to mark, okay? Now just the extra question, I asked you how many more children chose blue than green. So if we look at our block diagram from yesterday, here's the blue block, I've drawn a bar around it. Here's the green block, I've drawn a bar around it. My line across, and I can count there are 1, 2, 3, 4 more children that chose blue than green. So I hope you did that extra question and you got it correct. Today's learning. In today's learning, our key is a circle has the value of 2. So we're going to have to count in 2s every time we see a circle. Okay, are you ready to practice counting in 2s? I've got 3 circles. They each have a value of 2. What's the total? Do you know what 3 2s are? Ready to shout out after 3? 1, 2, 3. Yes, 6. Count with me. 2, 4, 6. Well done. Great counting in 2s. You ready for the next one? Oh, now what's the difficult bit here? What's the tricky bit here? I can see half a circle. Not going to count that in 2s, am I? If a circle is worth 2, half a circle is worth 1. So I've got to count that in 1. It's be 1 more, okay? Let's count together. 2, 4. I got 2 8s and 1 more, mates. 9. Well done. What about this one? Here's another tricky bit. Half a circle has a value of 1. Let's remember that when we count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 1 more, mates. 15, well done. I wonder if I've got any more half circles to count. Oh no, full circle, so we can count this in 2s. Are you ready? Can't hear you. What did you count to? What did you get to? What was the total? 20. Well done. Okay, so today we're going back to our colourful chart. And remember, this pictogram is favourite colours in class 2. We've asked a different class 2 and this is their data. But instead of having a pictogram where 1 circle equals 2 children, 1 child, in this pictogram, 1 circle equals 2. Watch me complete the first row. So the first row is children that said yellow was their favourite colour. Here's my tally chart that tells me how many children said that. Have a look. Can you count it? How many children said yellow was their favourite colour? Shout out after 3. 1, 2, 3. Brilliant. 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got to show that 8 children chose yellow as their favourite colour. Am I going to colour in 8 circles? But each circle is worth 2. I don't think I'm going to colour in 8 circles. I'm going to get my yellow pen ready. And I'm going to colour in and count in 2s. And I've got to stop when I get to 8. Shout out stop when I need to stop. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, I heard you all shout stop. So now my row tells everybody that 2, 4, 6, 8 children said yellow was their favourite colour. So you've got to finish the pictogram now and fill in all of these rows, colour in the right number of circles. Just a little bit of help, the green, red and orange rows, you're going to have to draw half a circle, okay? So just a little bit of help there. Now, the next part of our activity, you have got to turn your pictogram into, what's this called? Shout it out. That's right, a block diagram. And I'm going to show you how to do the first block. Now this is slightly easier because our scale is going up in ones, okay? So you don't need to count in twos here. How many children said yellow was their favourite colour? Can you remember from the pictogram of the tally chart? How many was it? Shout out for me. That's right, 8 children. So I'm going to get my yellow pen again. And I'm going to use my scale, find 8. There we go. And there is my block showing that 8 children said yellow was their favourite colour. Okay, I'm going to check my counting again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 children. Okay, beautiful, neat colouring. And then we have to complete a sentence. Okay, so children chose yellow. Easy. My block diagram shows me 8 children chose yellow. So your activities today, you've got to complete the whole pictogram with the correct number of circles coloured in. You've got to represent that data in a block diagram. You've got to complete the sentences, and then you've got an extra question. And your extra question is, how many more children chose purple than yellow? So when you've done your block diagram, there's the purple block, there's the yellow block. You've got to work out how many more children chose purple than yellow. We love seeing your work. We can't wait to see clear pictures of your pictograms. Email them to teachersyear2@birchfields.manchester.sch.uk. You're doing a great job. Aim high and can't wait to see your maths work.